Hello guys, today I want to show you how to add gradient text in Canva. So first hit create button, choose for example Instagram posts and hit Instagram post. Now here in elements just type in gradient text, hit enter, you'll get some gradient text templates here. So for example we're gonna choose this and make duplicate or just like that. You can change the side color, upper color, and the second color. So you get the idea, guys. And also you can take this, make it right or left, front. You can also say choose to align the page, add it to the page, animate this, add animation, and yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe,